Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo Zelle account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove a phone number from your Wells Fargo Zelle profile? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to disconnect a phone number from your Wells Fargo Zelle profile anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes people are going to send you payment through Zelle, but maybe it's supposed to be for your personal account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo online dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove a phone number from your Wells Fargo Zelle profile, here on the top center, you're going to click on Transfer and Pay. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click here on Send Money with Zelle. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, but you want to click here on Manage Payment Profile. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the emails and phone numbers you have connected to Zelle. So go ahead and find the phone number that you want to remove. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to unenroll this mobile number from your Wells Fargo Zelle profile? Go ahead and click on the red Yes button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You should see this green check mark right here. And then also the phone number is still going to be there, but it's going to be under the Not Enrolled section. So now I can no longer receive payments to my Wells Fargo Zelle with that particular phone number, unless I come back in here and re-enroll. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove a phone number from your Wells Fargo Zelle, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.